Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. After watching this tutorial, you will be able to convert complex solid part into sheet metal. So first of all, we will select a plane, front plane, sketch, and I will select rectangle from there and center rectangle. Now I will give it dimensions. And this will be 150. Now we will extrude it. Now it is the time to convert it into a sheet metal. So first of all, we will use shell feature, and we will make it a hollow part, and I will select this face, and its thickness will be 2 mm. Now we have created shell of this part, and now we will go toward sheet metal, and in sheet metal tab we will select convert sheet metal. Now we will enter the parameters to modify the part into a sheet metal part. So first of all, we have to select a face which will not be bent and which remain as it is. So in sheet metal parameters we will select that face. So this face will be remained as it is, and I will select this face, and next we will select thickness, and we already entered thickness 2 mm, so we will not change it. And after that we can change reverse thickness or key body, and the next is bend edges. Now we have selected the unbent edge as a sheet metal parameter, and next will be the bending edge. So the walls of this box are the bendings, so I will select bend edges. Now we will select bending edges, and after clicking on bend edge I will select the line showing the bend edge, so I will select this line, and next our bending edge will be this. Actually we need to select the edges of bend, so next we will select this and this. It will automatically select the rip edges. Rip edges means that the edge where gap exists, and next we will select the type of corner, and this is open butt and overlap or underlap. So we will select open butt, you can select any of them, and after that we will apply OK. Now we can see that it is converted into a sheet metal part. Now we will flatten it. You can see that our solid part is converted into a sheet metal, and after that I will uncheck the flatten, and it will again convert it to a sheet metal box. Thanks for watching. If you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our channel so that you can get notifications of our incoming tutorials.